What up, motherfucker? Alright, well today we're gonna be hooking up a dash camera for my brother here. Pretty much by iWay. I guess that's how you say I-I-W-E-Y. iWay. But yeah, so here's the rear, the dash cam. So it has the option for a rear camera. Obviously, as you can see here, rear camera. And then this blue wire you can hook up to the reverse light. So it actually, it turns it on, turns the lights on here, and then it acts as a reverse camera. So we're gonna hardwire this with a kit that he bought. Comes with fuses and stuff like that. So pretty much gonna hardwire so it's always on. And pretty much he's a manual. So we're gonna use one of the stock fuses, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna wire it up to the stock Honda fuse box, so it'll always be powered even with the key off. So what we're gonna do right now is I'll show you real quick how here, go into the car so you can see. Huh?
We're trying to avoid this to happen.
The what? They're trying to show that. We don't want to let no people know why. So the stock Honda fuse box is in here. You gotta take this panel off. There we go. Oops. So here's the fuse box with a bunch of fuses. So some of these are opened here. Some of them are powered with a key on, and some of them are powered with no key on. So we're gonna use one of the Honda factory, which is for the fog lights. This is always getting powered, which we already tested with a probe, and it's always getting powered even with the key off. So we're gonna put I'll show you the kit that comes with it, which it comes with many options for which fuses you're gonna use. So we're gonna use, let's see here, thing is, yeah, it's one of these, this one right here. So that's a Honda style one for this 8th generation Civic. That's a ghost. So pretty much we're gonna wire it up with this style fuse. As you can see, this is the Honda for the 8th gen Civics. So we're gonna put one of these in there, and then one of these stock factory ones in there, and put this in the fuse box. And this will wire up to the actual harness side of the camera here. And then that's the ground. Him? He's my new camera guy. So obviously this will be hardwired for that. And there's the ground wire. And then obviously that's the power charger, whatever you want to call it, and then powers the camera. So what we're gonna do is obviously wire this nicely. We're not gonna have everything like ghetto rigged. So we're gonna try to take the A pillar off, some of the lower pillars off, so we can wire everything nicely and none of the wires will be exposed. So let's have it. We're gonna let Christian do the work. As you can see, here's the little fuse, or the little wire came with the fuse, and then we'll put a Honda fuse. So we're gonna use the Honda factory location for the fuses. It's gonna, see here. Oh, blurry. Focus Beach. Okay, so number 27 right here is for the fog lights for Honda accessories here. So that's always powered even with the key off. So we're gonna end up plugging this in there. And like I said, there's other options here, but some of them are only for key on. So we want the one that's always powered with key off. Here's guys, all monitor the windshield there. There's the front camera. And the rear camera, pretty much monitor right there in the tailgate. You can see it's screwed in there, the screws. And the wiring, we just kind of pretty much follow the wiring underneath that panel there, all the way routed through there, through here, and then all the way inside. We just took the panels off through there, B pillar. All the way down here and there, behind that, and pretty much it's wired in there. And then the wiring actually goes through the A pillar, through the headliner, and then comes out through there. You're hairy as hell. Wolf man.
So pretend like this is off already. Well, I'll turn it back. It's all automatic, and once I turn it on, it'll start recording.
Oh. Yeah. Get closer. Alright, it works.
So actually, when I turn the car on, it's not gonna matter. This won't turn on automatically. I have to do it manually now.
Yeah. So yeah, that's it for this video. Just a simple install of, like I said, front camera, dash cam, and the rear cam. My brother trying to figure out how to set the settings here. Hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Yo, this video's not over, but just want to say thank you to those who subscribed to the page. Recently just hit 100 subscribers, and for that I just want to give a pretty much small giveaway, like I said a couple videos back. I'm trying to support my little brother Pierre Lucero with his art. As you can see, his blanket that I ended up buying recently. Pierre Lucero. It kind of has a little gloss to it. It's kind of cool. You kind of see a little gloss to it right here. It's pretty soft blanket. Not super thick. It's white on the outside, and the inside I mean, black on the outside. But at least this one is. I don't know how the other ones are. But it's not a bad blanket. I mean, it's a good blanket. Not a super warm blanket, but it is pretty soft blanket. This is our weather looking like today, -2. So it'd be a good way to win this blanket. To stay kind of warm. One of these blankets. I mean, it'll probably take around 2-3 weeks to get this blanket once I put the order in. That's how long it took for me to get mine. So like I said, good luck for anyone, whoever wins it. Best of luck. There's a couple blankets that are on the website. There are 3 sizes. For instance, this is the Visionary blanket. There's a small 30 by 40, 50 by 60, and a 60 by 80. So pretty much I'm gonna be giving away the 50 by 60. So there's 4 choices. There is the Infinity blanket, there's the Visionary blanket, the Bloomer blanket, and Bloomer Rainbow blanket. So you're gonna have 4 choices to pick, all the 50 by 60. So one of them you're gonna get to pick whoever wins this giveaway, random giveaway. Pretty much is gonna, all you gotta do is put a hashtag BRRBAH, like BRRRBAAH. Like I said, I'll put in the description box exactly what to put on there, but then you just give me your address and I'll ship, not this one, but like the actual, from the actual vendor themselves. They'll ship to your house, and you get to pick one of your choice. Like I said, the size is gonna be a 50 by 60 of your choice from those 4 different options that I just said. But like I said, I'd like to say thank you for you guys for subscribing. Just hit the like button, subscribe, and hashtag BRRRBAAH. Alright, till next time, take care.